Picture this. You're working in your pajamas, sipping your favorite cup of coffee, and you don't even have to leave your house. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, actually, it's more achievable than you might think. Welcome to Striverz Money, where today we'll be revealing the top secrets to making money from home. Stick around, because some of these ideas just might blow your mind. Before we dive in, I have a challenge for you. Can you smash that like button and subscribe to our channel in the next 5 seconds? Ready, set, go. All right, let's get started. 1. Freelancing. First up, we have freelancing. Are you a skilled writer, graphic designer, or programmer? There's a whole world of opportunity out there for freelancers. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr make it easy to connect with clients and make money from the comfort of your own home. And the best part, you can work on your own schedule and choose projects that truly excite you. That's what I call living the dream. 2. Online surveys and market research. Did you know that companies are willing to pay for your opinion? Well, it's true. By participating in online surveys and market research, you can earn cash, gift cards, and other rewards. Swagbucks and Survey Junkie are just a couple of the popular platforms that make it easy to get started. Just don't quit your day job quite yet. Well, you won't get rich from taking surveys. It's a nice way to make some extra cash in the downtime. 3. Online tutoring and teaching. Are you a math whiz or a grammar guru? Well, why not share your knowledge with others and make money while you're at it? Platforms like VIP Kid and Teachaway allow you to teach English or other subjects to students all around the world. If you're more interested in one-on-one tutoring, websites like Wizant or Tutor.com have got you covered. The best part is that you can do it all from home. 4. Selling handmade products. If you're the crafty type, consider turning your hobby into a money-making venture. You can sell your handmade creations on websites like Etsy or even set up your own online store. From knitted scarves to custom jewelry, the possibilities are endless. Just don't forget to factor in the cost of materials and shipping when pricing your items. 5. Remote work and telecommuting. More and more companies are embracing remote work, which means that there are plenty of opportunities to make money from home with a traditional job. Websites like remote.co and Flex Jobs can help find you full-time and part-time remote various fields. Just make sure you read the job descriptions carefully and tailor your applications to showcase your skills and experience. 6. Affiliate marketing. Do you have a blog or a social media following? Affiliate marketing might be the perfect way for you to make money from home. By partnering with companies and promoting their products, you can earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Check out Amazon Associates or Share a Sale for a wide variety of affiliate programs. 7. Stock trading and investing. Feeling adventurous? Why not try your hand at stock trading or investing? With online platforms like Robinhood and E-Trade, you can buy and sell stocks from the comfort of your own home. Just remember, the stock market can be risky. Be prepared to do your research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. 8. Selling digital products. If physical products aren't your thing, consider creating and selling digital products like ebooks, printables, or online courses. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy to get started. Your imagination is the limit. 9. Start a YouTube channel. Do you have a passion for creating video content? Starting a YouTube channel could be your ticket to making money from home. From ad revenue to brand deals, there are plenty of ways to monetize your channel. Just remember, building an audience takes time and dedication, so be prepared to put in the work. 10. Rent out your space. Finally, if you have extra space in your home, consider renting it out on platforms like Airbnb or VRBO. Not only can you make some extra cash, but you'll also have the opportunity to meet people from all over the world. Here you've got our top secrets to making money from home. Now it's your time to take action, and check out the related links in the description. And make sure you watch our other videos on making money and achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and keep striving.